Before you accept real donations, let's take your site from testing to live. Every Charitable install starts in test mode. Donations run through your gateway's sandbox, no real money moves, and the form shows a test mode banner so you can rehearse the whole flow safely. Going live starts with your payment gateway. Right now, Stripe is connected in test mode. Before launch, you'd reconnect it in live mode so real cards can be charged. Once your gateway is live, come back here, switch test mode off, and save. From that moment on, Charitable processes real donations. Now your campaign is live on your site. Supporters can open your page, pick an amount, and give for real. To make launch day smooth, here's a quick pre-launch checklist. Your gateway connected in live mode. Test mode switched off. A test donation that completed from start to finish. Your receipt email landing in the inbox. Your goal and end date set. And your campaign published. Tick all 6 and you're ready to go. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.